Talk to the people there.
I just tell you the same because I don't even know what to say. I don't know what to say, man. First day at work. And yeah, man. Boy. Crazy.
I'm just smiling. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I want to go around this. Stay close, stay put. Oh, Taradam. Okay, we're going around this side.
Yeah. Oh man. Time has changed. Time is fine.
You're almost there.
Yeah.
20 miles per hour on the route.
Boy. I ain't feeling on my belly right now, mommy.
Look.
Mommy, we are feeling on my belly right now, you know?
We are feeling on your belly.
My belly at work.
Oh. We just have to give God thanks.
Of course.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today is Ronaldino's first day at work. Bicycle only. No. Oh, bicycle. Today is Ronaldino's first official day at work.
Yeah.
We just have to give God thanks and keep praying for guidance and protection along the way, and many blessings upon all of us for 2023. Yes, Dino, your 2023 start off.
Oh, that's what I'm over there now. It's right this way.
Yes, really start off good.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm
This
so
year you're gonna
proud
go
of
straight.
you.
This year you're gonna go straight,
Yeah.
yeah. Well, we're nearly there, man. Nearly there.
I'm so proud of you, son.
Thank you.
Go. I feel happy.
Good.
I feel like I have accomplished something great. You know, being a single mom. And we've been doing this all along by ourselves. Yes, you make me proud, and I know that other people are very proud of you also.
Yeah. Just gotta keep going straight. Keep going straight.
Okay.
Keep going up. Keep going up. Keep going up. Keep going up. Just keep going up. Just keep going up. To go in so we just get the place.
Turn yes.
I'll leave this way here, and I'll just go talk to my boss real quick, and then come back. Yeah.
Okay. Boss here for driving. Driving, son. Boss here for driving. Okay. I take a little drive, go to Brixton, and then come back. Make sure Ronaldino have something to eat. So today, guys, I took Ronaldino to work. I was feeling so excited myself, as if I me get new job. Yeah, other feelings them me feel. I feel like I me get a job. So we took the tools and everything, and we reach on time, and I can see the happiness in my son's face. he feel happy knowing that he had done this by himself, you know. And I can see his future gonna be bright. So now he's a grown man now. I can leave him. I think I will travel by myself this time because Dina start his new job. Can't come with me. I feel sad because I never travel by myself. But me I have to travel by myself this time. Because the man can't leave him work. You understand? Him just start. So people, positive vibes, positive energy in a 2023. For me, 2023 look good so far. It starts off well. And I hope it continue to bring better things for me in 2023. You know what I mean? And if people ask you this year, how are you doing? Say, I'm successful. I'm loved. I'm blessed. Yes. Them nice things that you're going to put on yourself. Speak positive things over your life this year. No negativity. Yeah. Me? I make nobody stress me out in 2023. I must be crazy. I will join my live. Sarah! Hi, Sarah! I dropped Dina at work, so I'm making my way to Brixton. And then me have to come back and cook some food for the man. Because the man gone on him proper job he need to come back and eat him proper food. Thanks for joining my live, Sarah. So, Sarah, anybody has stressed you this year, what you're going to do? You're going to block them, delete positive energy, and make sure you focus on what you want in a 2023. Talk truth, yeah? Thank you, Sarah. On a positive note, that's positive energy. Whatever you put out in the universe, that's what you're going to receive. If you show people love, people show you about love. If you show people hate, people are going to show you about hate. Because me is that type of person. You show me hate, me I show you about hate. You show me love, me I show you love. And I just force up myself by nobody. No, sir. My God. You show me happiness, me I give you back happiness. Anything you put out, that you get from Lisa this year. Bye, Sarah. You keep me company. Even for one person for my life, I am grateful. One day I will have 1,000 people for my life. That's how you grow, you know. That's how you grow. You have to keep doing it. Yeah, and I don't really tag people because I don't want nobody to say me bother them. I know then we watch it after. We are moving at 2023 with positivity, positive vibes, positive energy. You see what the title for this? Positive vibes only. Don't make nobody stress or no out. I'm on my way to pick up Ronaldinho. Come in, Sunny boy. Let you sit down in warm vehicle and relax. Sure. This video would be so great, but the rain, but it's good. It's London. Yeah, rain have to be a part of London, otherwise it's not London. Look at this bridge, very Victorian. You see that? London at night. night. I like driving at night. Look nice compared to the daytime. What I did today was drop Dino at work with his tools, came back home, went to Brixton, came back home, cooked some food. Because I pay for the congestion charge to go in that area, instead of just making that money go to waste, I decided I'm gonna pick up Ronaldino so he can come back home, sit down in a nice warm car, you know, and work hard. 3 miles to go. I'm on my way to pick him up. But this video is getting too long because I've been recording everything I did today. I'm gonna cut this video short. So thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like this video, share the video, leave a comment, and guys, please remember to subscribe, guys. Bye. Slow down, Lisa. Going straight ahead.